guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn notifications before we get started. So today, I have my dad over here, and my hand is hurting. Okay, so today we're going to be making stress ball, monkey noodle, and simple dimples. He knows what none of that is, except maybe a simple
Stress ball.
Yes,
I know what that is.
DNA ball.
DNA?
DNA.
Oh, you're just spitting it.
Go away. Okay, back to this video. So, let's get started. So first we'll be making monkey noodle and stress ball. What you will need for your monkey noodle and DNA / stress ball balloons, you'll need one long for the monkey noodle and what is this? A balloon, round balloon. It's best if you have clear ones, but I ran out, so.
What about the funnel? Wouldn't it be better if you had a funnel?
No.
No?
I don't know. So we'll need a bottle of water. This is sink water. And we'll need pom-poms to make the little things in the DNA ball. So, let's get started. So, we'll do...
That's a good one, sink water. Isn't that a cool concept? Sink. A sink, and you know, a water. You put some in water, and it's heavy, it sinks.
Okay.
It's sink water, so if you put anything in there, it's going to sink. Even if it's like a balloon, it'll sink.
So, I'm going to show my dad what he's going to do, except I'm going to do it with a monkey noodle. So, we have unscrewed the lid. I should probably
This is
start this.
stress.
No, not yet. Okay.
Mostly the bottom. Start it right from the bottom. Boom. There you go.
I always say this in my videos. Sorry if you're wearing headphones because I'm so loud in my videos. There we go.
That's like some of those, what do you call it? Memes. Some memes they put on this really loud sound. It's so annoying.
I did it! You did it.
I told you.
Now, we're going to take the end and twist it.
Am I doing mine too?
You're going to do the same exact thing. And then you...
With the round one?
And then you do this and put it on. Hold it tight, untwist it. My fans know this if they watch my other video. Whoop. And pour the water in.
Oh, that water's loud.
Oh, shoot. I forgot about the rest. I forgot. I'm so sorry. We have a lot of things. This is what I have to deal with. This is what I have to deal with. Now, last time I did this, if you know...
Everybody gets gas.
So, if you know this, if you watched my last video, when I did this, it exploded. It literally exploded on me, so... Let's not have that happen. I got a bad feeling about this.
There's nothing in there, babe. Oh, there is. Okay, oh. You got everybody wet.
Okay.
Oh, what the heck? Is it leaking? Or, oh, you're not pinching the top. Why is it doing that?
No, it's doing this way. Because it needs to be, it's peeing. It's peeing. Now we tie the monkey noodle.
Oh, yeah, I get it. Okay, that's a monkey. I was wondering why you didn't know.
My hand. Okay. Monkey noodle.
Looks like a blue jalapeno.
Okay.
jalapenos or peppers. I like to sit
Now,
up here.
I'm going to wipe this up on my shirt.
Because
Because that's just what I do. There. Now, it's my dad's turn. So,
Oh.
do it. I'm watching.
Oh, I'm putting water in
So, no. Blow it up.
there? Yeah, I already did.
No, like blow it up and leave the air inside.
What, so are you going to watch me have it squirt all over?
No, it's not. It's, listen. Okay, stop. Now I'm going to take a bit of the air out because it's a bit big.
Oh, they're not doing it the fun way. No, you got to do it lower.
Back to your one.
There you go.
Well, we have about that big. Now we're going to twist the end. This hurts. Okay, now hold the water bottle for me while I put it on. Hold it, dude.
Well, imagine filling a balloon up like as big as you had it with your balloon and then like swallowing all that air. All that air in your belly.
See, now it untwists and then we pour in the water.
Oh, I can see a disaster going.
Ow, my hand. That's about good. Now we rip it off.
This makes it pinch it.
We don't want to rip it. That's what happened to one time. I did this and it ripped. Like there.
Okay, so am I leaving the air in or I'm taking there?
Okay, taking it out very slowly. Hold the end. Do you want me to do it?
Oh, it's more fun, I guess. You can do it. Yeah, you can make a mess.
Oh shoot, we forgot to put in the balls. We have
Oh,
to
we're
put
putting in those
fuzzy
in water?
balls.
Oh,
Yeah.
good luck with that. You should have put them in
Where's
first
my
because you
other
use
one?
a pencil. Like, how are you going to do it with...
I have another one somewhere around here. You know what? We're just gonna make a normal stress ball. Because I need a clear balloon to make those.
Yeah, actually, yeah, that would...
I have another one somewhere around. Oh no, it's in the freezer. I don't know why I put them in the freezer. Oh, it's coming. Why does it always?
Oh, gee.
I know always.
Well, I could have did it so much easier the old school way. Just stick it on the end of the tap, turn it on, and don't blow it up or nothing. And then
Both of our taps are broken.
No, I can still do it. I'm innovative.
Dad, you're gonna break it. My hand's broken. No.
I can't break it on nothing.
Look at our poor dinosaur.
Oh,
Oh my god! You can't break my glass.
Here, what?
My
That's not, I told you I wouldn't break it. Unless it hit something sharp.
you. You're not prepared.
It's probably under the couch now.
It would pop.
Okay, so what was the other one?
Okay.
You need a little stress. Which we didn't put spit in the DNA ball. And
We didn't even turn out making a DNA ball. We made a water balloon.
No, that's what I said, because we didn't spit in it.
You put these in to make a DNA ball. Or bouncy balls. I don't know. Bouncy balls make it hard. The other ones make it soft. My hand hurts.
Well, didn't you get those things from Grandma to put on your bicycle
Shoot.
wheels? Spoke?
No.
Wasn't she vinegar or something?
Yeah. I have to go back. Give me 1 minute, please.
Alexa, play the poop song.
Dad.
Playing specific songs is only available with
And then they'll play it anyways.
Here's a station based on the poop song by David Kaiser.
Dad, I'm trying to make a video. Oh. Alexa, stop.
Aw.
I'm making a video. You don't do that when you make a video.
What, you never heard music on videos?
No, we
Where the
play
heck you been?
happy music.
That is happy music. Everybody's got butt cheeks.
Everybody's got
Poop,
butt
poop,
cheeks.
poop.
My hands.
You can't be happy with a sore stomach.
Bam, bam.
Oh, you could, but not as.
Where should I put my DNA book? Somewhere. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put it in the freezer.
Everybody's getting bored. They all switch
See?
the channel.
This is a DNA
Oh,
ball,
that's cool. I like that.
and this is a
Oh
squishy.
no, I bet you any money if you whip that and they hit it and it bounces and hits something, it'll break.
Squeeze this. You have to. This.
Yeah, it feels like an egg that you can't break.
Oh my God. I can't
Why
break
you
them
freeze them? What was the point of freezing them?
because they felt good when
Oh,
you
you
freeze
know what?
them, but I freeze them too
it would
long.
be cool though if you opened them now.
No.
Because then you'd have an ice cube with a bunch of...
Why does it?
Remember we made the really big balloon full of water and put it in the freezer? And then we opened it. It was a big round...
No.
You don't remember that?
I don't remember a lot of stuff. Okay.
Oh yeah, because you're just a little whippersnapper.
My hand hurts. Oh, jingle bells, but smells like rotten eggs. I do give up. What? I do get up.
Oh, look at
It cracked.
I'm stripping on your,
Yeah, it comes off. It cracked.
yeah,
It cracked. Look at.
yeah. But I'm just saying it's going to waste. Like, I mean, I don't know what you put it on for, but you should use it.
Okay. So.
That's what I don't like about that glue gun.
Oh.
And even if it's like not pushed in, it'll just keep falling through the drip.
Okay. Here's
Don't
your
buy
piece
glue
of paper.
guns at Dollarama.
Here's my piece of paper. We each have a piece of paper. Hooray. Now, you're gonna draw a shape. No, like a circle. A big one.
Oh,
Like
you
this.
should use that pen. Remember I got you that, what was it, elephant or something? 3D drawer.
That one's broken.
It's broken. How the heck's it broken?
I told you that a long time ago.
And I told you a long time ago how to draw a perfect circle.
Do this. Do this.
Why
No, just
can't
do
I
a circle big.
A circle big. Do a circle big.
Do a big circle.
Can't I just do a perfect circle?
Yeah, whatever. My circle looks floppy, and I don't.
You know how you know if you got a perfect circle, or when you get to the end if it meets up? Oh, and mine did. It's not perfect, but
It's an egg.
pretty darn
It's
good.
an egg.
It did meet up, but it is a bit crooked.
Now
Might be a bigger one,
we're
but
gonna cut it out. There you go.
bada boom, bada bing.
So then we
Where's it?
here, just cut out with that. I'll grab those.
Oh yeah, you give me the little crappy one. You give me the safety scissors.
Here.
Oh well, I'm already half done there.
Now we're gonna.
I adapt.
Now that we have this, we're going.
Sit around and
We're
sit
going to
there.
cut up the middle. Snip. Do what I did. Cut up the middle. Now you cut up Okay, that's small, but whatever. Cut up the middle like this.
Or cut across to the middle.
Yeah, whatever.
You're saying cut up the middle. Chop, 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 chop.
So then you do this, and then it makes like this big cone.
It makes like a hat, so I can go to a pick race in China.
You're weird.
I'm not weird. I'm
You're
weird
weird.
because I'm
No.
weird because people wear hats like this in China. That makes me weird.
You're weird for
Okay.
thinking it's weird.
I didn't say, you're the one that thought it was weird. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Look, it's ready to go pick
You
race.
can't even see him. Wait, there we go.
So they wear hats like that, or in Vietnam and things and stuff like that.
You're
Maybe.
weird for thinking it's weird.
I didn't think it was weird. I just saw it look like that. It reminded me of it.
Okay.
I
Back to it.
People, you
I
know
don't
what?
know.
Asian people are like the smartest people there.
Um.
And that's
Okay.
why they used umbrellas for years in the sun.
You're going to make a shape like
While
a
everybody else
shape.
gets sun or sun.
You can make a shape or like a cat face or something like that. I cut you a piece. You can have a bit of a smaller piece since your board's a bit smaller.
Oh, is this the little poppy, whatever?
You're gonna do this like around there, not this part because it's bent. But
Isn't that supposed to be bigger than this?
do this like this. You just cut out. Oh, let me glue this for you.
I thought that's a smaller part though. I thought that goes in the, like look, on here.
Yeah.
Like what, you told me to do something, shouldn't I use this whole thing?
Yeah. But you can like
The way
cut it
you're
out to make a
explaining
shape.
it, I thought I'm supposed to make it smaller.
We're using a cracker box. If anyone was wondering. Don't know why you would be wondering if I'm using a cracker box.
That reminds me of that company, the cheese company. It's called Cracker Barrel. I've never heard of putting crackers in a barrel.
Who came up with that company?
What the heck? Oh, that was cool. I'm thinking, look.
Spider-Man does whatever he can.
I was wondering what the heck was going on. Can they see on this? What the heck is it? Can they see it or what?
No, wait.
Oh, there. Can I see it now?
Yeah. It blinks. Spider-Man. Woo. That's actually really cool. Spider-Man.
That's what's cool about
Spider-Man.
hot glue. It's like a little tiny string of which it's like spider web.
We can make a spider.
They stole the idea from spiders. Like, look at that. Well, actually, no, because that wasn't the point to make stuff like this. But I guess I stole
You're weird for thinking it's weird.
No, I think it's cool. Spiders, like, look at. Actually, this is stronger probably than spider web. Oh, this guy's gonna put his hat. Like, this would be cool to make a stop motion or whatever animation, because you can't see the little strings.
Okay.
It's like when they make like movies of people flying, they put them on these
Now,
little
Dad.
lines.
Dad.
This guy's trying to put his hat on, but I think
Daddy?
he's got too much static electricity. Oh, wait, there we go.
Dad.
Yeah, baby.
Instructions. I'm teaching.
I did it.
No. We don't do like that.
Yeah, so what am I doing?
So, take your cardboard. That's still attached to that. And cut up. Like that.
Oh, you got a kitty.
I got kitty.
Cut right to the middle, you mean?
Yeah, and then you're gonna make a circle inside your circle.
Make a circle.
No, like
Oh, I gotta cut
like
a
a
circle
circle
out of it?
in, yeah, like
Like
in
how
the middle.
big?
Because that it doesn't matter. However you think it will fit into your circle.
Okay, I get it.
Your circle. Circle. Me, 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 me. Have you ever seen that Jack Skeleton movie? But where this one TikTok, he or she makes this like he follows the Jack Skeleton movie of how he made that spiderweb thing, and it actually works because he makes a spiderweb whatever.
What, Nightmare Before Christmas?
Yeah.
What part was that? He made a spider web.
No, he made a snowflake thing. You know those snowflakes they make.
Yeah.
He made one of those for Christmas. And since he made his a spider web and with a spider on it, and then in the TikTok he
I
actually
mostly
does
remember
it.
the songs. Oh yeah, that's a good movie.
Yeah.
Especially the songs. This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
No, my favorite part is when they sing the very I am the one hiding under your stairs. Fingers like snakes.
Yeah, that's the same song.
Well, that's my favorite part of
Yeah.
that song though.
Well, but you said.
I am the one hiding under your stairs. Fingers like snakes in the sky. This was that. No, yeah.
And
yeah.
spiders in my
And-
hair.
In my hair. I am the one hiding under your stairs. Fingers like snakes and spiders like hair. Nah, 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 yeah, yeah. I'm cool. Yeah. Because I can sing. Rap. I'm rapping, yeah. Boom, boom, chicka, boom, boom. I know.
I could just see all kinds of steam pouring out of that.
Now I'm gonna. Ow, ow,
Just, hops. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah. Just what I told you. Yeah, I'm always at your back. You just don't let me.
ow. Dad.
What? Oh, don't I always tell you what to watch for?
Yes, and I just.
Yeah, I'm right
my
all the
hand.
time. Because I know. I know what to watch out for because I made all the mistakes I don't want you to make.
All the mistakes.
Yeah.
All. Okay.
Yeah, all the mistakes I don't want you to make. Well, I'm sure I didn't make all the ones I don't want you to make, but the ones I did. No. Okay, I'm gonna get you to glue mine.
Look at this. Look at this. And look at pop. Hot.
Yeah, okay, here you do mine, babe.
Hot
Because I don't
glue.
even know if my things. What'd you
If
do
I
with the
burn
other
myself,
balloon?
I go-
The one that's broken. Wasn't there a broken one?
No.
Okay, are you gonna glue that, sweetie?
Yeah. So, guys, by the way, how you do this, how you glue it is you take it, so you're going to take your circle and you're going to adjust it, so you're going to glue a little piece at the top. I'm using the part that's written on. And then you're going to put this right on that little piece. And then you're going to glue another piece on the other, around the other side. And you're just going to push that down. And now we're going to do another piece on the other side. And just a little bit. Now push it down. And then we're going to do another piece right here and here. And we're going to push it down. And then we're going to take this and you're going to squirt this. And make sure you have adult supervision when doing this if you're a younger viewer. And I'm trying to glue this. That's hot.
Pardon me? Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, I got it on my finger, so I went up come on the ice. It actually felt kind of good when I got it on
They
the
say
ice.
that's the worst thing for burns is cold. It's better to put on lukewarm.
See? Guys, I told you.
Cool and cold is the word.
Oops, I did it again.
These are hot. Cool is better than cold.
Here you go.
Well, baby.
So here's what they look like. Here's mine. Pop it. Wait, they can't see it. I think yours is more, yours is more, yours is more,
Professional.
no, like,
Purple.
how do I say
Wet.
this? No,
Sticky.
you're just coming up with random words now. No, like, yours is more,
Freakish.
no, both of them are freakish.
Round. Unkitty-like. No, yours is kitty-like. So obviously mine's more unkitty-like.
Yours is more like perfect, because yours is like a perfect circle, and it looks just good because. But if you
You
listen,
assembled it.
if you listen closely, put that up to the mic. Or is it this one? That was cool. This one's more semi-cute. I was gonna say cute, but more semi-cute because it's a bit unprofessional, but cute because it's a cat. So they work pretty good. Wait, go close. Disco. If you wanna do it, I got my little simple nipple, guys. Got my little simple dimple, soup, simple dimple, simple dimple. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now that doesn't, that could be my, wait. It's my unibrow.
Oh, you're a funny hairdo.
She's my best friend. You mess with me, you mess with me.
Oh,
You mess with me. See, when you do this. So, I'm ending the video because my dad's gonna go crazy. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you know when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Sorry if you're watching with headphones on.